Friends, here our concept is providing password for SSH using sshpass. See, sshpass is a utility or command. Using that, we can provide password for your SSH in a non-interactive way. Simply, sshpass is a non-interactive SSH password authentication. So just assume that your environment is password authentication. I mean, whenever if you are trying to log in into remote server from your local server, it needs a password. Suppose here we have some list of remote servers. Now I want to execute a command on one of my remote server. Then you are using ssh-t, then strict host key checking equals to no. Then what is the user you want to connect with your remote server? Then after that you are providing your server, remote server IP or host name. Then your command may be any command. What happened? Sorry. -o. You have to provide your option with -o. -o. Now it is asking a password. Let me provide password here. So I have given a password. Now you are getting output for your command. Suppose you want to run some 10 commands separately through your SSH. Then each time you have to provide password. And if you want to automate to run your 10 commands through a shell script, then while running shell script also you have to provide 10 times your password. That is somewhat, of course you can provide your password, but unnecessarily you have to interact with your shell script while running. So in that case, our sshpass will help us to provide password to your SSH in a non-interactive way. Let me show you that. Simply, first sshpass. SSH. We have different options here. Let me go with one by one. SSH. Your command you have to take as it is. And use sshpass if your environment is password authentication. Suppose if your environment is passwordless authentication, you no need your SSH pass. SSHpass -p in quotations just provide password. So I am providing password for my remote server. Now see that without asking password, now your SSH is executing your commands on your remote server. Any command you can execute now on your remote server. That's it. So now basically whenever if you run your SSH command in a password authentication environment, it prompt password. Now to avoid that, automatically to provide password for your sshpass utility is useful. That's it. Right? Now see, not only that command, you can execute any command. Suppose simply I am running. That's it. So be clear. So here I am using sshpass -p. Directly I am providing my password here. But I don't want to provide my password on your terminal and in command line. Instead of that, you can store your password in a file. Let me store in any file name. You can take any file. I am taking simply pass. So here just provide your password. Then save it. Now instead of -p, just take -f option. Then provide the file name in which we have your password for your remote server. That's it. There is one more way. There is a variable called sshpass. Otherwise, simply if you run sshpass, see there is a variable called sshpass. You can export that variable with your password. Let me export it. Simply export your variable. Inside that just provide a password. Now run your command using sshpass. sshpass just -e. That's it. Now see the result. Now if you take -e option, you have to provide sshpass variable. You need to export sshpass variable. Then only your -e option will work in your sshpass. That's it. So anyway, you will get more practice to work with your sshpass. But before that, whenever if you want to use sshpass, you have to check it whether it is there or not. See, by default, you may not have this sshpass utility on your Unix, Linux like environments. If it is not there, then what you have to do? Simply, you have to install it by using yum install sshpass. But I am not the root user. That's why you have to provide sudo if your current user is having root privileges or switch into root. From there, you just run yum install sshpass and see the result. See, already we have latest version of sshpass, that's why it is not installing. But for your demo purpose, what I will do is, I will log in into one of my remote server. There I will show you how to install sshpass. Same steps you can follow on your server. Simply let me log in into my remote server. So first I am switching into root. That's better one. Now I am running yum install sshpass. But there is no match for your sshpass in your configured repos. In that case, what you have to do is, you just open a browser and based on your operating system, suppose mine is RHEL 8. Search for EPL for RHEL 8 based on your OS. Then just open this any one of the link and they will give directly the link for your EPL package. Otherwise, you can also directly go to this website, official website, https EPL. See that? So here you will get based on your version. See that 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Based on your version, if you open that, there you will get your EPL package. 86 by 64 packages. Go to E. See, now search for EPEL. Control F, EPEL. Now see that? Based on your OS, we have particular EPL packages. So now simply what I will do is, take this, copy that link, come to your host, yum install, directly provide the EPL RPM so that it will add that repository to your host. So once it is added, now you can install it simply by running yum install sshpass. That's it. Provide yes. Now it is downloading and installing. That's it. Now check it. It is there. Now I am exiting from root. Now we are an automation user on your remote server. Now I am checking here also. Yes, it is there. So that is the simple way to install your sshpass on your host. So we will do more practice in our later sessions. Thank you.